So, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Zos Almighty, back with another video. So, I'm here to basically do a trade recap. I just woke up, don't mind this. I'm here to do a trade recap of yesterday, or for yesterday, from yesterday. Okay, I took a trade yesterday, I didn't record it, that's why there's no video. I'll show you why did I take the trade, and the profits that I made, a loss, whether they were loss or what. So they're not wasting any of your time. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm still sleepy, I think. It's too bright in here. Yeah. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get into the video. So you can see we already have what's this, our calendar with this prop firm that I'm trading with. It's still the challenge account. So we're gonna start off here Sunday. It says Sunday because I'm in South Africa. In South Africa, it's actually Monday. I took the trade in on Monday, but it's recorded on Sunday, which is the same date. So yesterday, this was yesterday. I took a loss this other day. I even showed it to you guys, which was on Tuesday, and then yesterday and Thursday, I took a win. It says two trades because I normally take out partials and then put the stops to break even. Then when it comes and stops me out, it records it as two trades. So we made $50 yesterday, what I was risking on this account. Then on my other account, because I'm trading two accounts, and also my other accounts, you can see the progress bar here also, about $213 left till I pass this challenge. You can see here it's $50 also. So you get it. It's the same trades, everything's the same. The win rate is at 85 because of this loss, and yeah, the worst day was $45, minus $45. I cut my losses short sometimes. So that was it on board account this month of November. This month has been great. This month has been great on board accounts. So let me show you the trade. I have two charts open as always. It's QQQ, where I just see price from the open of the New York Stock Exchange open. I see price from that open up until its close, as always, which is 16:30 in South Africa. Yeah, it opened here it opened here 16:30 the day before yesterday, and then it closed here 22:55. It opened yesterday here 16:30. As always, this is what it does. So I normally come to this chart and mark my my daily levels. That's what I always do. That's how I trade. I mark my daily levels based on QQQ. Firstly, I mark my daily levels as always. So this is what we have. This was the previous day's high. I even noted it down, and the previous day's low. And then I also mark the day before the previous day, its highs and its low, because sometimes those two they act as some pivot levels. Then I drop down to the 5 minute to mark out my pivot levels, where price usually like moved a lot, where it bounced. For instance, the day before previous day, you see price was consolidating near this area, near its high a lot, you see. So that's a pivot level for me. And also the low, its low price was consolidating, and also on the previous day it did come back to this area here. So I marked it as a pivot level or a zone. Also here's another pivot level over here. Yeah, and then after that I go to Nasdaq, do the same thing on Nasdaq, because I mostly trade NQ. I mostly trade Nasdaq, NAS 100, or whatever you guys want to call it. I mark the same levels, mark the same thing. They may be different because Nasdaq like uses the whole day's data, unlike QQQ. QQQ uses the data from 16:30 up until 22:55, up until the New York Stock Exchange closes. Yeah. So I mark those, and then also drop to that to mark out some pivot levels, and I get more like pivot levels because you get price action like from during the day and stuff, you see. Then there's that, and then after that I'll put both charts side by side like these. I'll put them side by side like that, so I can see how QQQ is moving. Then what happened yesterday was this how QQQ opened. It opened here, it opened and started pushing up slightly. Where is it? This was the open. So before the open, price was trending to the downside, as you can see, creating higher highs and higher lows. Like, this is clear price action, market structure. Like, look at this, higher high. Let me use this too. From that low, we get a higher high. You get price breaking this. Oh, not high high, lower high. You get price breaking this lower low and creates a new lower low. Then it created a higher high, a lower high. Yo, keep saying that. And then again it broke to the downside, you see, and then it retested. You see, that's what I saw price for retesting that zone. And remember, this was previous day's low and the day before previous day, and I marked it as a zone. We also have another level over here that we can watch out for, which was this one. So I marked it yesterday, and then price came to it. It already broke on previous days low and the day before previous day, and then it did a minor pullback from that zone, which would have been used as support. Then I was like, okay, since price is moving back up, it may be using this zone as support. I'm not gonna buy yet. There is some kind of fair value gap over here, or imbalance, or whatever you guys wanna call it. Price might come here and react and then start selling. But overall, what I'm looking for is for QQQ, because on QQQ, this level is there too. This is the level, is there. So it may be like a high impact level. So what I want to see before I can take an entry, I want to see price. We also had another fair value gap here, which price came to fill, didn't fill that one, and then from it flipped. So what I want to see price actually breaking out of this level, or breaking this low, you see, not breaking and closing, just breaking the low, and I'm going to enter. And I was on some, you know what, let me just enter. Price is just gonna plummet. I just entered when it broke this doji candles low. I entered. My stop was not actually this far. My stop was actually somewhere here. My stop was somewhere here above this fair value gap or imbalance. It was there, and then price moved down, retraced a little, and moved down. It smashed our take profit. I took out partials, which was maybe $49 on both accounts, and then I left some to run, placing my stops at break even or at maybe plus $1. Then it eventually, I wasn't on the charts to close the position out, and started to reverse. So price came back, which is another form of like confirmation. Look at this. Price came back to retest previous day's low, and the day before previous day it retested it. We had imbalance, a minor imbalance over here, which I don't use those to trade that much. They're just for confluence purposes. So price came back here to this resistance, or previous day's low, and the day before previous day, and retested it. Look at this. I could have, or you could have taken it when you got price breaking below this bearish candle. Like, you see, it came here, pushed up, rejected, flipped bearish. Okay, sharp. We don't care about that. Let's wait. Then this candle comes. You can take it at the break of this low, or when price breaks the previous candle's low, like that. And then stops, you can set it above the wick of that candle, of this candle. because if it moves above it, then you're wrong. Then you can target the next low, which is this one for a 1 to 2. Look at that. Or at 1 to 2 you can take out some partials and then leave the rest to run. Look at that. Look at how price plummeted. And again, today I'll also be looking at the same thing. Look at how price plummeted. 1 to 8. It's basically a 1 to 8. Look at this. So that's what I did. I was just showing my trade. Just this is something that I just saw now. Just that I wasn't at the charts. I was very busy. That's why I didn't even have time to record. I just saw the setup. I was like, oh damn, it's respecting my levels. Let me enter. Just entered, and then I couldn't set up my this thing fast. Was very slow, and then it plummeted. So yeah, that's what happened, guys. If you like this video, be sure to smash the like and subscribe button, and then yeah, I'll catch you again on the next one, which is today. I'll probably be trading today. Yeah, thank you.